And here they are. Look at that OG sole design, a signature of Mihara Yasuhiro's. It's chunky, asymmetrical, and has this hand-sculpted vibe that's unmistakably unique. Combined with the sleek black canvas upper, it's a bold contrast that's both edgy and versatile. The design is where this shoe really shines. The black canvas upper is super clean, but the real star is the OG sole. It's almost like wearable art, with its uneven, melted look. And check out the branding, discreet but impactful, with a small tag on the side and Mihara's signature on the insole. Let's talk comfort. The sole may look unconventional, but it's surprisingly soft and cushioned. The canvas upper feels durable yet breathable, making these perfect for daily wear or as a statement piece for special occasions. Now, how do you style these? Because of the bold design, they're best paired with simple, monochromatic outfits. Think black skinny jeans, oversized tees, or even a tailored suit for that high-fashion streetwear look. The possibilities are endless. To sum it up, the Maison Mihara Yasuhiro Peterson OG Sole Canvas Low in Black is a standout pair of sneakers that perfectly blend art and functionality. Whether you're a sneakerhead, a fashion enthusiast, or just someone who appreciates unique design, these are worth every penny. Meet Rep Sneaker, the go-to online platform for high-quality replica sneakers. If you've ever dreamed of owning premium kicks without the premium price tag, this is your golden ticket. They specialize in delivering top-notch replicas of iconic designs, and trust me, the attention to detail is mind-blowing. Rep Sneaker has an extensive selection, from retro classics to the latest drops. Whatever your style, you'll find something that fits your vibe. Plus, they offer global shipping, so no matter where you are, your dream sneakers are just a click away. The best part? Their pricing is super affordable. You get all the style and craftsmanship of high-end brands at a fraction of the cost. And if you ever have questions or concerns, their customer support team is always ready to help. Now, here's some exciting news. Rep Sneaker is hosting a New Year's giveaway. It started on December 25th and runs until January 8th. The prizes are insane. The first winner gets a free pair of Air Jordan 4s, the second winner grabs a tracksuit, and the third and fourth winners get a $27 off coupon. Don't miss out. And for all my Rsnow Unbox viewers, I've got an exclusive deal. Use the promo code RSNOW at checkout to get 15% off your order. It's that simple. Plus, by joining their Discord community, you can become a VIP and participate in even more giveaways and offers. So, what are you waiting for? Head over to repsneaker.net to check out their incredible collection. The link to the website, their social media accounts, and contact details are all in the description below. Don't forget to smash that like button, subscribe to Rsnow Unbox, and hit the bell icon so you never miss an update. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Until then, keep your sneaker game strong. Peace.